Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will work on an auction bought M4. It was, I guess, crashed because it is in a really bad condition. It's the GTS, not the normal M4. Yeah, I think I already cleaned the car. Everything is done with it, so I mean the cleaning is done, and I also bought everything. So now we can disassemble body panels and start working on it. And now the car is, the body panels and the interior is disassembled. Now I'm gonna go and fix the body panels that I had on it, and then we can continue working on the car. Alright, now we can start working on the car, which means I can drain the fluids, then I can take off the transmission, and I can take out the engine. So let's do that real quick. Okay, also, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you actually do, consider subscribing and liking the video. Also comment what you wanna see next, and this is the biggest support you can give me, just to watch my video and maybe drop a like on it. I would like you to subscribe also, but that's your own choice if you wanna do that. Although you can always change your mind later, so yeah, but still. If you watch the video and drop a like, that's way more than enough for me. If you actually like it, and if you don't, just tell me what you don't like. Tell me in the comments what would you change, or what would you do in another kind of way. So yeah, that's all. Let's just get back to the video. Okay, engine bay is almost fully disassembled. I think. Oh no, the fuse box needs quick disassembly, and also yeah, that's the next project, the F50. So yeah, just hope you guys will like that also. It's probably gonna be the next episode though. Make sure you're gonna check out that next episode also to see the restoration and rebuilding of the F50. And it's also GT model, so yeah, that's even better. Alright, let's move to the back now. Let's disassemble the back also, and I can move into the assembly basically immediately after I sell all the old junk that came off this car. The back is usually the most complicated part of these cars. There's just so many things are going on in here, to be honest. I think one side of the back is basically the whole front in time, if you wanna think about that, because yeah, it does take a lot of time. And also I saw that, I know that the battery is in. I forgot to take that out. I'm gonna do it as soon as I can. Okay, so car is disassembled now. Let me put it down and then I can weld it up. Okay, then I can take out the battery when the welding is done. Take the battery out real quick. Let me put you on charge in here, and I can lift you back up. Okay, and then I can start building the car back up, but I'm gonna get this first. Don't have anything to do. Okay, nice. Let's start building it back up. Also, if you guys made it, or if any of you made it to this point, I thank you for watching and supporting me with your view. Also, if you saw any Road to 1 Million series, tell me what you liked about it, tell me what you didn't like about it, because apparently they are really not good. I thought they're gonna get more views, but I'm getting around 20, which is, let's say that it's just kids with dumb videos today, that the brain rot videos get more views than I get when I'm trying to do this Road to 1 Million. So I don't know what happened there. I was a bit, if you wanna say it like that, heartbroken when I saw that kind of video is not working. I really enjoyed doing that. So yeah, but I don't want to spend time editing those kind of videos because those take a lot. Because usually one video is around 45 to an hour, 45 minutes to an hour to record, and then to edit them into a 20-something minute video is just really hard and it's a lot of time. So I decided not to care about it right now, and maybe later on just continue that series, because apparently you guys didn't like it, sadly. And although I like it, I don't want to mess around with my time that much, because if none of you are gonna watch it, then why am I even bothering? I already played this game multiple times, and yeah, I just don't want to do that again if you guys don't like it. I enjoyed it because I was talking to you guys. I was maybe trying to get some comments from you, some stuff that you guys like about it, but I didn't, so I decided I'm just not gonna do that right now. Yeah, if you guys want me to do it, just put it in the comments, I guess. Or just watch my old videos that I put. There are 4 episodes already on, and if I can see that you guys are gonna watch those, then I might actually be able to start it again. So yeah, alright, let's get back to the video. Also, what I remembered, guys, is I don't know if you know about the game 5M, but probably most of you do. We had a server way back then. I think in 2022 we had a server, and now we are starting it again with my friends. And if you would like to join, just put it in the comments. Maybe I might put the Discord invite link in another video, in the new videos that I'm gonna make. The server is still under development. We don't want to release it before everything, you know, is buggy and stuff. So now we are working on it also. I am in charge of the cars, basically the handling models and stuff, and they are actually very good. Also, the car is done, so I can move to the engine. So yeah, I'm trying to make them realistically handle, and I mean, if you guys would like to check it out, feel free to do it later on. Just tell me in the comments if you care or no, so I can put the Discord link in the description so you can see the IP address and everything. So yeah, also we are trying to make it a player-owned businesses also, so you can have a mechanic shop if you want to. To be honest, it's way better than this game, to be honest, sometimes, because you can go ahead, you can tow cars, you can fix them up. We added a really good script that basically lets you work on cars like in Car Mechanic Simulator. So yeah, it's kind of cool. If you want to check it out, just as I said, just put it in the comments. Alright, enough of that. Just gonna speed this part up and then see when I'm done with the engine. Alright, engine seems to be done. Let's put it in the car. And now I can build the engine bay up. Okay, that is also done. Now I can fill everything up with the fluid. And I can move into the back. I mean not the back, the bottom side of the car. Alright, let's move to the bottom. Alright, so car is in the air. Let's put on the transmission first, and then also the drive shaft, and then I can put the exhaust system on. Oh, I don't have these. I thought that this came with the engine, but apparently no. Okay, let's see. Okay, the exhaust is also on. I can lower the car. And finally, oh no, you know what I forgot? Again, the starter. Can I put it in from here? Yeah, nice. Don't know why, but I just forget the starter every single time. Okay, let's put on the wheels. Hopefully you guys are gonna like the wheels. I like them. I think they look good. I'm not a fan of M4 wheels, so I was going with the M3 wheels, but they look absolutely beautiful, I think. I even painted them in hollow-ish gray. Gloss gray, of course. Don't like matte and this kind of stuff. So yeah, I will see how they look. But I think they're gonna look good. Oh my god, these look absolutely fire on this car. Okay, let's just take it to the paint shop and then we'll see how it looks when the whole body is assembled. Okay, so we are at the paint shop. I'm gonna quickly assemble the body and then we will see how she looks with these kind of wheels. And what color should I give? Because I kind of like this orange color, but we will see what I'm gonna go with. So, but there are no darker tail lights in the game available. Yeah, the wheels look absolutely fire. Okay, let's just see what kind of color we can go with. I know that I have blue cars already, but this is so good looking. Oh my god. Okay, let's put in the interior and I will show you around. Okay, so here she is. It looks so good. Jesus Christ, it looks just absolutely so good with these kind of wheels and this color. Oh god, the front, everything is just so good. Oh my god. Alright, let me show you around a bit. So the trunk, it's kind of big, so it's a cool daily. The engine looks alright. Let me show you inside. So this is the interior. It looks really good. It's absolutely fire. Would be cool if there could be some blue stuff in the interior also, but yeah, like that. Okay, let me just start it up for you. Which I can't for some reason. Because, why? Because I didn't put the battery in. Okay, battery is in. We can start the car now. You know what? I actually think that the sound is also very good. So, yeah, I don't know what she pushes, but we'll see the dyno. So I will meet you guys there. All right, so we are at the dyno now. Stock it makes around almost 500 horsepower. I hope to God that it's not gonna be more than 800. So let's pray all of us and then see what she makes. Let's meet you guys at the drag strip, because definitely not gonna go on the track with 900 horsepower. It's not gonna. So let me just show you around the drag strip what she can make. All right, so we are at the drag strip. Now let me set the camera. Now let's see what we make. Kinda like the acceleration. Alright, so we are back from the drag strip. Car felt awesome. I think it was really fast. It was fast enough for me. I like the acceleration. I like the stability it had in the straight line, of course. But yeah, all in all, it felt amazing. The looks is just perfect. It's just spot on with these grayish wheels and the blue color. With the black accents, it looks absolutely fire, I think, and I'm absolutely in love with this one. So yeah, I hope you guys also liked it. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. You can support me with this kind of stuff. It's only a small click for you, but a huge help for me, huge support for me. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, as I said. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, that's gonna be the Ferrari F50. So yeah, don't forget to check out that video, and don't forget to check out the after shots of this car. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.